do a pretty fun video. I have an egg, and I'm gonna crack it on top of my head. And I'm gonna go wash my head. But I'm doing it over the sink. I can't get the table though. Not the table, but. Bodies. It drips. This is gross. I don't want to do this. I don't. When I look down, like when I look up that, it's like a little dot, and I have to look at that to be looking at the camera. But I want to look at the tablet screen. Not the phone screen. But I look down when I look at the phone screen. But I don't. Check. No, not above my head. It's on my bag. It's on the counter. We're at its house. Oh my God! Her face. Oh, these towels stink. I just grabbed a dirty towel. Oh! I'm gonna cook some eggs. We got a glob of crap on our counter. Our floor. The only thing I'm worried about is cleaning up the mess. Oh no, that's dumb. Guess what I need? A 6-foot towel. Oh, it's gross. Dude, literally. It's the eggshells are in the. I didn't want to mess up my hair, so I packed it on like that. God dang it. Yeah, it's slippery down there. Mom's gonna kill me. Wait, I need to get it wet. Clean up all the eggshell crap. Drain it. More wet. I made muffins. I made muffins and left it in the oven for like 20 minutes. They smell blueberry. Gosh, what the heck? This is dumb. Dude, I'm gonna get ready. That's all I want, that. I'm ending the video here. Try Peyton's blueberry pie. $7 each.